critical part.
The Cabinet on Friday approved amendments to the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act 2020 and the Meghalaya Identification, Safety and Security Rules 2020. The MDA's spokesperson Paul Lingdor said one of the main components of the new amendment is that state government will optimize efforts to check the antecedents of the migrant workers to ensure that only those with no criminal antecedents can join the workforce as migrant workmen in Meghalaya. Lingdor further said that the cabinet decided to make use of the central system called CCTNS Crime and Criminal Tracking Network System.
Per offender. In the case of repeat offenders, there will be an imprisonment, simple imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 months. These are workers who wish to work at Meghalaya, for which there is this act under which they will be registered. So they have to either obtain a police verification from the home state, or when they reach Meghalaya, get their antecedents verified by the state police.
The state government on